How to log into Barclays credit card account online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll teach you guys on how to access your Barclays credit card account online. So let's dive right into the video. Barclays is a well-known British multinational universal bank with its main headquarters situated in London and England. In case you wish to log into your Barclays credit card online account, you need to open up any web browser in your PC or your computer or your mobile device and then proceed to search for the Barclays. At this point, you should click on the following website link that indicates barclays.co.uk, and after you click on it, you will be redirected to the official homepage. Once the website loads, locate and click on the login option that is highlighted in blue color in the top right corner of the screen. And upon clicking on this option, you will be presented with various different options. Opt for the one that mentions card number, and next input the last name in the designated field, and also enter your 16 digits card number. And if you wish to save your last name and card number for the future logins, click on the appropriate box over here. After providing all the necessary information or details, click on the login button that is also highlighted in blue color. In the event that you have not yet registered for an account, simply click on the Register Now option in the top here and follow the steps outlined. Go all the way down and click on Start button highlighted in blue color, and then adhere to the on-screen instructions again to set up a new account. So that's all for this tutorial. If you have any queries or uncertainties, please feel free to leave them in the comments section. And also remember to show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more informative tutorial like this. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.